Hi. I'd like to introduce the town of Tailem Bend in South Australia. I'm using different sources of information about Tailem Bend like Wikipedia. I hope you enjoy this short video. Tailem Bend is a rural town in South Australia, 85 kilometres or 53 miles southeast of the state capital of Adelaide. It is located on the lower reaches of the River Murray, near where the river flows into Lake Alexandrina. It is linear in layout since it is constrained by river cliffs on its western side, and the Adelaide-Melbourne railway line is dominant on its eastern side. The town grew and consolidated through being a large railway centre between the 1890s and 1990s. Now it continues to service regional rural communities. In the 2021 census, Tailem Bend and the surrounding area had a population of 1,025. Prior to European settlement, the area was inhabited for millennia by the indigenous Ngarrindjeri people, who made bark and reed canoes and lived on fish and animals dependent on the River Murray. Once written as Tailem Bend, the town's name is from the Ngarrindjeri word thelem, meaning bend, referring to the sharp bend that the river makes in this location. An alternative explanation is that this part of the river was the lum ki, meaning bent water. In 1884, while building the railway line eastwards to the colony of Victoria, a track-laying gang set up camp among some native pine trees and named their site Pine Camp. A township grew from there. In 1887, the year after the railway opened for traffic, Tailem Bend was proclaimed. Tailem Bend is on Australia's principal highway, the A1, linking Adelaide and Melbourne. It is the main road you see in this video. It is 20 kilometres from the end of the southeastern freeway to Adelaide. South of the town is the junction between the Princes and Dukes highways. It is, however, a stopping place for interstate bus services. The Tailem Bend Ferry, a cable ferry, operates across the River Murray to Jervois. A cable ferry, like what is crossing the river, is a ferry that is guided and propelled across a river or large body of water by cables connected to both shores. Early cable ferries often used either rope or steel chains, with the latter resulting in the alternative name of chain ferry. Both of these were largely replaced by wire cable by the late 19th century. Major industries in the area include pig farming, dairying, and growing grains, hay and olives. The head office of Coorong District Council is situated in the town. The Tailem Bend Solar Power Farm and the Bend Motorsport Park, respectively 2 kilometres and 5 kilometres southeast of the town, are significant recent additions to the region's economy. From Tailem Bend southeastwards, the Dukes Highway is a direct route to Melbourne. The Princes Highway runs along the Coorong and coast towards Melbourne, and the Mallee Highway east towards Sydney. Thanks for watching, and hope you enjoyed this short video about Tailem Bend.